The pace of Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra leaks is getting faster and faster as we approach the likely launch window. So here's a whistle-stop tour of everything we've just learned about the S24 series upgrades and new features, including photography, its design, its screen, and its storage and color options. First up, leaker Alvin Sonda6 on Twitter/X emphasizes the Galaxy S24 series previously tipped focus on AI, with the new Galaxy AI powering several features. That will include more realistic camera processing than we saw on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The post continues, although this could be different by the final release of the phone. While Samsung Galaxy S models have historically done well on our best camera phones guide, their tendency to oversaturate a scene with unrealistic colors has meant it's always had a weakness that other leading photography phones don't. Maybe in 2024, with the help of some shiny new artificial intelligence, that will all change. Alvin also tells us a little about the S24 Ultra's design. The phone has been rumored before to use titanium side rails like the iPhone 15 Pro, and according to Alvin's source, Samsung's titanium gray version of the S24 Ultra looks better than the equivalent natural titanium iPhone. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, as we all know, but it's good to hear that Samsung's not ignored the phone's looks in pursuit of using tougher materials. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also feels good to hold, according to Alvin's insider, with the only big difference from previous Ultra Samsungs being that it's flatter than before. This is perhaps a benefit to some users who find curved displays lead to a lot of missed touches when trying to use their phone, but a downside for those who are used to or even like Samsung's curved displays. Moving now to a leak from Ahmed Quater, we learn a bit more about the display of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The screen of the new top-tier Samsung will allegedly be clad in Gorilla Glass armor, which seems to be a new unannounced type of toughened glass. The Galaxy S23 Ultra uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2, currently the strongest type offered by manufacturer Corning. The upgrade could be very slight for all we know, but hopefully it'll make it harder to damage the phone via the inevitable scratches and drops that these devices experience in the world outside your bag or pocket. This Ultra display will also offer 2,600 nits of brightness, a little different from the 2,800 nit figure we've seen before. All the same, this would be incredibly bright and beat the iPhone 15 Pro and Google Pixel 8 Pro if those figures stand up during our own testing. Quater's post also backs up leaks about the S24 Ultra's cameras, including a new 50MP telephoto camera, and its use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in most countries around the world. Elsewhere, leaker Mystery Lupin has leaked all the possible memory variants of the Galaxy S24 series, telling us how much RAM and storage you can expect for your money. We can see that once again the basic Galaxy S24 is getting 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, a little stinky these days. The Galaxy S24 Plus, however, is getting an upgrade to 12GB RAM like the larger Ultra model and offers 256GB by default and 512GB if you pay extra. The S24 Ultra seems to have identical RAM and storage to the S23 Ultra, but that's no problem, as 512GB or even 1TB of storage is likely enough for anyone. We can also see the various color options that may be on offer for the whole Galaxy S24 series in Mystery Lupin's images: yellow, violet, gray, and black, available on all models. These colors will likely have fancier names when Samsung officially announces them. For example, black in Samsung E's is usually Phantom Black. But it's good to have an idea of the balance of fun and sensible color choices you can get on the S24 series. The launch of the Galaxy S24 series is tipped for January, which is likely why we're seeing so many leaks appear as preparations begin in advance of the holidays. We can't wait to see if these leaks are accurate and what else Samsung has in store that's not been revealed by tipsters yet. Amidst the anticipated advancements in AI, design, display technology, and memory variants for the Galaxy S24 series, what specific feature or innovation are you most excited about, and how do you think it will redefine the smartphone landscape in 2024? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.